everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to place text behind an image using Canva. This is a super cool effect that makes your design look professional and eye-catching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe because I share amazing design and editing tutorials to help you level up your creativity. Now let's talk about how to do this in Canva. First, we will open Canva and then go to Upload Files to upload an image. Once the image is imported, we will adjust its size as needed. Next, we will add text and change its size and color according to the preference. Now, we need to remove the background of the image. Canva has a background remover tool, but it requires a premium subscription, which I haven't purchased, so I will use another website to remove the background. We will go to InSmind site, click on Started, and here you will find many tools and features on a single platform. But right now, we only need the background remover tool, so we will go to the first site and upload our image. Once the background is removed, we will go to Canva, upload the edited image and adjust its size again. Now to place the text behind the image, click on the text, then go to top right corner, click on position, go to layers and drag the ice cream image over the text. This way our text will go behind the image. And that's it. Now you know how to place text behind an image in Canva. Try it out and let me know in the comment section. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.